Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Gajin Garage. What I'm doing this beautiful morning. It is Christmas, not Christmas Day, but it is Christmas. And look how beautiful it is out here. It's not cold, it's not freezing, but it's beautiful. So good morning, good morning. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. It's beautiful. I like to work up early in the morning and work on cars, so you can see all my neighbors are still here. And yeah, look what we got here. Look what we got, the new member of the family. I'm going to be making a video on this pretty soon on detail what the car needs. We ordered some parts already for it. So, if you'd like to see more about this, hit like, hit share, subscribe. Let's do this. But tonight, or today, it's not about that car, or the CRX. And I'm about to leave to Orlando. That video is coming up. Actually, that video came out yesterday. I'm going to Orlando today. Today I'm going to Orlando. It's my birthday. And I'm going to Orlando, Florida, December 16th. That's today. And I'm going to Orlando, Florida. We are supposed to leave about 12 o'clock. My daughter went to school. And you know, being a gajin guy, you know, I am messing with the radiator, something very quick that I want to do. See how it's high enough from here. We're gonna have to have something to lock it in place. But if we do, you know how the EG hatch and did I tell you hit like, hit share, subscribe? I hope I did. Okay. So you know how the EG hatch has this Integras and the EKs, right? So if I put something like this here, it's gonna have to be right about there. But you see how, look how big it is. So basically I have to cut almost, I gotta measure that real quick. I have to cut that. Now, how we're gonna cut it, I'm gonna show you how in a minute. I'm gonna measure it and I'm gonna show you how, okay? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I measured it already with the tape measure, and you can see it. I already put it there. Now, I'm gonna go here. That's that right there. We're gonna go here, and we're gonna basically measure how much we gotta cut. And let me show you cut this the right way. You don't want to. Measure twice. Let me show you. So I measured twice. And this, right there. You see it? So we're gonna have to cut here and there. So basically bringing this down is gonna allow us to put that radiator. It's gonna allow us to do the radiator the way we want it. And then after I get it down, I'm gonna have to drill here and put one of these in there so it can bolt in, no damage, no old school, put a lot underneath in the back or nothing like that. That's what we're gonna do. So when we do that, and after that radiator is done, then we can move on. And because we are replacing the transmission on that, it's sitting right there. We have to clean it, make it nice and clean so we can put it there. What else? we have the plug. I got a lot of things to do in this car, but again, I am little by little getting everything for it, marking the places they're supposed to go. I know the transmissions, we gotta do it. Got the harness coming. All that is done. I got the cable for it. We have, last night arrived our jumper harness for this right here. And keep collecting parts, but with that said, we need, let me start cutting this up. We're gonna take the gear on and then see how it looks, okay? All right, guys. Right here, right there. Let's go. Bring it in. Boom. Oh man, I'm getting good at this shit. Now we got the clearance that we need. And check this out, guys. Right here. We're not even. Okay. So now we have it the height that we want. Boom. And now I can mount it right there. See? I can mount it this way if I wanted to. Or in this case, I'll mount it right there. So that's gonna be the way we're gonna mount this baby. I mean, if I want, I could go like another millimeter down, but it's sitting right now where it's supposed to. So that's the way cookie combo. And then we got this. Right? Got this. You know, wherever place you want it. Very true. I already marked where that's supposed to go. The next step, I'm going to cover this with tape so I don't want to damage the paint job. And I'm going to drill right there, put the little thing, and then boom, radiator done. Where it's supposed to be. Nice. One more less thing to do, right? That's how you do a custom installation on the radiator on the CRX. A lot of people leave them back. A lot of people, they don't want to do a lot of things. The only thing you have to do is cut the little piece in the bottom and bring this down, and your radiator is completely covered. Stay tuned. Let me put all this, prepare all this, and drill. Okay. Alright guys, so you can see came out nice. Now what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, it's nice and tight, right? So that's beautiful. But what I'm gonna do here, I wanna go to Lowe's, and this tells you for the AC unit, it's like a double stick tape. I wanna stick it up here and here, so vibration, you don't hear that vibration inside the cabin. But there we go guys, that's what you guys are supposed to be doing. Just cut it on the bottom, then you got your radiator fitting right the way you're supposed to, OEM style, hood clearance perfectly, and I want to prove that right now. There's the hood. See? Boom, nice and clear on the hood. So that's the way you're supposed to do it. Clear hood, clear clearance, everything is set. And hold on, man. Everything locked up the way it's supposed to. No hitting on the top or nothing like that. So there we go. Radiator set. So next step, I'm going to Disney for the weekend. So if you're seeing this video today, hit like, hit share. And if you're saying happy birthday to me, tell me happy birthday Gallin or Freddy, whatever you want to call me. But do me a favor. On the comment below, tell me where you're from. So sample, if you're from my hometown, yo, happy birthday Gallin from Cape Coral. You know, tell me where you're from, bro. Y si estás en Puerto Rico o Latinoamérica, y es mi cumpleaños, déjame saber dónde tú eres. Pon debajo. Uy, dónde tú eres, Colombia, Puerto Rico, lo que sea, happy birthday, lo que sea. Let me guys know, okay? From around the world, thank you. Today's my birthday. I'm turning 47. And yeah, man, I'm excited. Beautiful morning. And I'm heading the road in a few hours. I'm gonna edit this video and download this for you guys to see. But I have to do something in the morning before my birthday. Before I go anywhere, I had to do something in this car. I did the radiator, that shit was bothering me. This tool is amazing. And yeah, man, hit share. I got more parts coming in for this. I got OEM stickers coming for this. I got inside stickers for all my door jams for this. I want to make a video on that. I'm collecting parts. That's another video I want to do. I was going to do it today, but I don't have it. But I'm collecting parts for my mirror. And I got body shop to go to, get a tail light, and my shit over there. So guys, hit like, hit share, subscribe. Peace out. See you guys later. And God bless you.